Hello, this is my project car first ever trip in the high country. Actually, first ever four-wheel drive trip since I bought her and done her up. Let's see how we got here. Alright, today's the day. We're at Vic Roads. I got my plates, I got all my papers. Let's get this thing registered. Just got home from Vic Roads and we're about to put our new suspension in. So I've got Tough Dog 3-inch lift. I've already got all my arms and everything in there, so I don't need to worry about that. So just springs and shocks. Alright, we've got the 3-inch lift in, which is nice and tall. We're going to quickly whack on my spotties, good old King spotties, never done me wrong. And picked up today my new GME aerial and UHF, so keen. Alright, it is 5:08 and we're about to head off on this patrol's first ever trip. It has been a long 10 months in the making and we are finally here, first trip. And we've got Ben's car as well and we've got the ultimate setup right now. I just love it, super simple, everything. Alright, plan for the day. We're going to recreate this photo because it's 1 year ago and it's the weekend where we started dating. And we've had complete car changes since then and it's important to us. Anyways, and then we're going to go for a wheel. We don't actually know where yet. And then we're going to go to camp somewhere else tonight. Well, that's the plan. Okay, I may or may not have used a half tank of fuel for 150 k's last night, so we'll wind the fuel screw out to give it less fuel. I'll be a little bit more gutless, but hopefully a little bit more fuel efficient. Okay, we've just finished taking photos at our little spot to recreate the ones from this time last year. Now we're going to head up straight up Binge Road.
Yeah, Binge Road.
Binge Road, Mount Useful, and then see what we can see. So we wound the fuel screw in way too much, or fuel screw out way too much. I have no power. Getting up hills, nothing. I have to go like second almost first to go up a little hill. So putting it back in to get more power, and we're just gonna have to figure it out during the week to try find a nice middleman. So yeah. Much better than how we drove up here. I was just dumping soot everywhere. So hopefully Alright, we've had sightsee at Mount Useful. Now we're going to head down a few tracks, try to do something on the medium side. Not too easy, but Ben doesn't have a front locking hub, so technically he has 3-wheel drive if he wants to, but really he only has 3-wheel drive. And I've never driven this thing off-road before, so we'll want to see a little bit, but not too hard. So yeah. So we've dealt with a bit of corrugation. Had a little mishap. I'm missing my indicator, and then I hear a big bang. Yeah, spare tire, decided to go. No, thank you. Nice. Alright, I said I wanted a challenge, but Ben's just driven up, you can see my car, Ben's driven up this little bit and he struggled with how soft and slippery it is. And he gets here and it gets harder, and then the next step is harder. He's just walking it. But I think that's the end of our drive today, and just before the river crossing there was a nice little campsite, so might just camp there for tonight and go back out the way we came, because this is a bit, he doesn't have 4-wheel drive, he has dodgy winch, I have no winch, we don't have nice tyres or anything that we know we're going to grip, so playing it safe.
Give me a black motorcycle, give me playback on a vinyl and some cheap aviators from 65. Give me snakeskin boots, skull swaying like a noose, and I'll be clinging to the back of this Indian bike. Brass rings in the center and a wind with a red sunset going down. There's no lines on a gravel road, riding where nobody goes, and I'm addicted to his leather and smoke. Give me a black motorcycle, give me playback on a vinyl and some cheap aviators from 65. Give me snakeskin boots, gold swaying like a noose, and I'll be clinging to the back of this Indian bike. He is my nicotine, I'm his desert queen, worn out bandana tied around my neck. Call it Bonnie and Clyde, a modern day ride or die, and I'm convicted, 25 to life. Give me a black motorcycle, give me playback on a vinyl and some cheap aviators from 65. Give me snakeskin.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Oh, that didn't really work very well. So we woke up to quite a bit of rain and a lot of water. So as you can see, we've got the car and other car, and we're sitting cooking breakfast. So no high one to start our day, but pretty good. Do you have anything to say, Benny?
It's going to be fun getting out.
Oh yeah. The tracks on the way in were quite clayey, but they weren't too steep or anything. Although there was a few steep sections coming down.
They were rocky though, so.
Okay, good. Gonna be quite wet going out, so scared to see how the BFG all-terrains are gonna go.
And Ching Chong Muddies.
And Ching Chong Muddies are two-wheel drive. Anyways, wish us luck. Alright, we've managed to pack up camp, our little makeshift awning thing. And now we're just sitting in our cars to get warm while the cars get warm. We're gonna have to try drive up those really slippery hills on the way up now. It's been raining for like 6 hours straight. It's currently midday, so we'll see how long. I'm not gonna try to do any tracks, I'm just gonna try and go home now because it's Sunday and got work tomorrow, so see how long it takes till we get on the highway. What have you done? What have you done? Oh gosh. And to think I wasn't stressing, I was like, oh, it's not even that slippery. I thought we're doing well. Oh God. Alright, okay. Yeah. At least he's got a winch. That's all we can say about this. He might have 3-wheel drive, but at least he's got a winch, so. Okay, so Ben's car really struggling on this slippery stuff. So we've parked him in a washout, so hopefully, because he's gone up the hard bit now, but the rest of it's just a little slippery, he's just struggling. Now we're hoping that I can just gun it. You know, I've got at least 4-wheel drive and a TD, you know, TD's better. And make it past him, make it to the next washout and then just pull him. Hopefully that is a plan.
Fuck off.
So he's locking both hubs in, so that means we're just going to hear a click and click, click. It might explode the hub, but better to have 4-wheel drive than no drive. We've still got the winch line on, just in case he decides to roll down the hill. And I'm going to be there just in case I need to yank the winch line out of his way. No, you're right.
All I fucking needed.
It was just that 4-wheel drive.
Been an interesting day.
Alright, we've made it off the track, off Eaton's track. We're now on Maguire's. And super simple road, then we'll get on Springs Road, and they'll take us home. So I think I'll leave the video here, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the first YouTube vid. Did you enjoy the first YouTube vid?
Yeah, I did.
Are you gonna like it?
Yeah, I'm gonna like it.
Alright, thanks, bye!